We don't need 100 pieces. Yeah. She get real head. I think I like it. How about broad day with the heart stopper?
What's the deal, y'all? What's going on? It's your boy Mo. We back at it with another one, man. Today's video, we are installing the first mod on the Hellcat. So the car is completed. Everything is done to the cars. No, I got plates on the car. Everything can. Well, my plate is not here yet. I'm on a temp plate right now, but we got plates for the car. Everything is done. The car is drivable. Everything good. That was the first step, getting everything out the way. So now we on the second step, which is customizing the car and doing stuff to the car that, you know, I normally would do. So in today's video, the first mod for my car is our car. The first mod for our car is, I don't know if y'all can see that. It's probably backwards, but this is the LED badge for the Hellcat. It's like putting, it's basically when you put your name on your car, it's like you stamping your car, like I stand behind my shit type, you know, like that. So about this badge, let's go to the beginning. Now this is CBON Engineering. CBON, I guess that's how you say it, but Engineering. And I had one of these on one of my cars. I forgot what car I had it on. I think my Chevy SS, the first car I had it on. And that badge, that's when he first started doing badges and stuff like that, and well, selling them or whatever. And he was in a rush, you know, whatever. I bought that badge. It was good for a couple months, and it had ended up getting some, I'm guessing, water damage or something like that. But yeah, it had ended up getting a little bit of damage. So I hit him back up. I'm like, hey, my what's the name got damaged, you know, I've been working with you since the beginning, type shit like that, whatever. And yeah, my badge was messed up, whatever. He's like, no problem, I got you. He like, no problem, I got you, no worries, you know, I'm gonna send you a new badge. He ended up sending me a new badge. He ended up sending me the Flow Series badge. So this one is better than the last one. So in this video today, we're gonna be installing this LED Flow Series badge from CBON Engineering. And yeah, man, let's get right into it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Talk to me, man. Like, if y'all not gonna do anything, just talk to me. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know what type of content y'all like, who y'all want to see me collab with. If y'all want to see me collab with anybody, what do y'all like about my channel rather than other people's channels? Just, you know, talk to me. You could DM me, you can leave a comment underneath the video, you can whatever you want to do, man. I'm gonna be around. You see me out in public, say what up to me, all that type of stuff, man. I'm not no antisocial, like, well, I'm kind of antisocial, but I'm not a rude person. You walk up to me like, oh yeah, I'll follow you, whatever, you know, whatever, I'm just saying what up type shit. That type of shit, I'm alright, cool. But without further ado, man, let's go get this shit together. Oh yeah, and I do want y'all to know that I'm back recording on my GoPro, because I feel like that is the best way for me to record as far as getting content for y'all, because it's hard for me to, I usually record on my phone, but it's hard for me to be on, like, if somebody call or I got to pick up my phone and do something or look something up or that type of stuff. So I'm gonna just start recording on my GoPro and getting all that together. But here she is, bro. I'm about to show y'all something. Look, I was working on something. What was I doing underneath the hood? I was doing something underneath the hood, I think. Oh, my motor mount. I had to change this side motor mount because it was messed up. So I was changing the motor mount. I had a piece of electrical tape, bro. I put it on the paint right here, just the electrical tape. I don't know if it was the chemicals or what, but y'all can see when I pulled the electrical tape off, I pulled some of my paint off. But since I got the car painted and stuff, it come with a warranty on the paint. So I think it's a 1-year warranty or something like that. So I'm gonna just wait and see if any other defects pop up before I take it back to get fixed, so they can fix everything at once. I'm trying to give y'all a cold start, but the tank engine light is on, so it's probably not gonna stay started. tried to save it. I was too motherfucking slow. But we in action. This car junky. It's a dirty car, man. It's hot as hell in here too. That should be good enough. We'll figure that out. Voila. Where we at with it? Oh, psych shield. I'm gonna try to do this without taking the bumper off, because I don't feel like taking this bumper off, to be honest. So I'm gonna try to do this without taking this bumper off. Let me see. Where we gonna put this badge at? Oh, my phone over here playing music. I say, I really wish I could put that bitch right here. That bitch in here, I think it'd have been hard. I feel like if it could have went right there in there, that shit would have been hard. But we ain't pressed on that. I guess I'll put it right here, or do I put it in the middle? What y'all think? Y'all can't even talk to me fast enough. Let me see. Let me call some people. I'm about to call some people and see where they say put it. Yo. Hey, where should I put my badge? Should I put this badge right? Should I put it in the middle? Should I put it in the middle, or should I put it on the right side?
Right side.
I think the right side. What you think? Think I should put my badge in the middle? Like right dead smack in the middle of the car? Or you think I should put it like over here where it normally go? Like right here.
I'll do that bitch dead smack. Something different.
In the middle? We got one for the side, one for the bottom. I think I'm gonna do the middle. We doing the middle. We doing the middle. Fuck it. I don't feel like calling nobody else. Alright, so about to install it, I guess. We're just gonna do it in the middle. I'm gonna just do a dead smack in the middle. Fuck it. It's red and black, and it got plugs that plug up to the rest of the harness, which is better than the last style, because the last style had 3 wires that you had to connect to different shit for different stuff to work and all of that type of stuff. But this seems a lot more doable for yourself. You ain't got to go to no shop and have it installed or nothing like that. However, if you do get one and you don't want to install it or don't know where to get it installed, and you local to us, I'm gonna give y'all 2 of the custom shops that I fuck with. Number 1 is Detroit Wraps. Go to him, talk to Jay. He gonna look out for you, X, Y, and Z. Number 2, Midnight Club Customs. So you're gonna talk to Mike, and he gonna put you on game and get you in the game with putting your LED badges on, X, Y, and Z. So for any of y'all needs, when y'all need wrap or any of them type of custom modifications and all that type of shit, I'm gonna need you to go to them 2 places, Detroit Wraps or Midnight Club. You can look both of them up on Instagram. Y'all will find them and all of that. So y'all can do that on your own time. But basically, I'm gonna just get into this, man. We gonna put it in the middle. I'm gonna route the wires. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to set it up and show y'all, but yeah, I'm gonna try to set it up for y'all so y'all can see me installing it and all of that. And then we're gonna wire it to this side, because you gotta have a power in the ground. So power is here, of course. Ground, you can use this ground right here. I think it's probably like a 12 or some shit. Use that ground. But
you know that they gon' fuck with me. You know that they gon' come for me. I can tell you what it is. I'm too real, niggas fake. You know it's bragging over here. You scared, jump the gate. I got hoes on my line. You know that they gon' fuck with me. Bro, them on my side. You know that they gon' come for me. Yeah, run a million up, bitch. We don't need no company. Yeah, it's a real switch. We don't need 100 piece. Yeah, she get real, yeah. I think I like her. I I brought broad day with the heart stopper. Money on my mind, I go get it. They don't really want me dead cause I'm living. Them same niggas don't get money, they be tripping. Your bitch gon' give me head cause you hate, man, your business.
Alright, so we are in the game. I got all the wires tucked up behind the grill. One up under here. Oh shit. Just might keep that up a little bit. Try to push pin to go in there. But yeah, other than that, I got it coming out of here around the washer fluid bottle. Going into here, it's a little bracket right here. It's actually holding it pretty tight, like I can't even move it. I just tied all the wires up right here. Of course, one go to power underneath there. Then the other one just got a zip tie going over here, going to the ground. Yeah, it's really that simple. It just had extra wire. I didn't even use the extension wire that it come with, but it's good to have just in case I decide to move it. Like if I move it to this side right here, I would have needed this because I got just enough room to make it to there, coming from there to the middle to right here. So that's good. And yeah, other than that, look at it. We're in the game. I don't even know if y'all can see it, or is it too light outside? Let me see. It might be too light still. Oh, y'all can see it though. It's flow series for sure. Let me peel this off. I'll show y'all better at nighttime and shit. But yeah, I kind of like it. I like where it's sit at. But at least for now, it's cool. That's it mostly for this video. I guess this would be the official outro. Probably just gonna add in a clip right after this of how I look at nighttime. Other than that, man, I appreciate y'all watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, all of that type of stuff. Let me know what y'all want to see. Talk to me, you know, DM me, whatever it is. Any questions that y'all got, feel free to shoot me a message and let me know something, man. Appreciate y'all. Thanks for now. Oh, if anybody got some wide body wheels for sale, I'm looking for some wide body wheels. Let me know. I'm already about to change the seats next because I don't like all leather or whatever. So yeah, man. But thanks for watching. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. And watch this next clip until the official outro. Alright, this is what it looked like at nighttime. Can't even really see. Let me see. Can't tell the flow series that much. But from a distance, that shit is bright as hell. Alright, good looking. And you know, we got reflective cat emblems. Can't really tell right now though, but yeah. I ain't gonna lie, that bitch do it crazy with the lights on.
They gon' come for me, yeah. Run a million up, bitch, we don't need no company, yeah. This a real switch, we don't need 100 pieces, yeah. She get real, yeah. I think I like it. I brought broad day with the heart stopper.